Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into the bottom half of my toolbox. Previously you might have seen the video of the top half of my toolbox where I quickly went through it and just kind of explained what I have, where future videos will be coming of actually going more in detail of some of my pliers and some of my screwdrivers and stuff like that. So stay tuned for those videos, but today we're going to be working on the bottom half, starting with the large top drawer and working our way down. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Other than that, 90% of these products will be linked down in the description for you guys. Super easy to find. Once you click on the link of, let's say, the tools section, it's going to bring up a list of all the tools that I suggest. It's going to have pictures and prices. Super easy to understand and find what you're looking for. So if you're interested in anything here, it's there for you. If you guys have any questions, feel free, drop it down in the comments. That's what I'm here for. I'll answer anything I can, but let's get into this, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, so the big drawer is actually my wrench drawer. It's the only drawer really big enough that I can fit a majority of my wrenches in there. And I still have some in another toolbox as well. But over here on the right is going to be all of my SAE. I don't use SAE a whole lot, but I can't just not have it for all those situations that you come across every once in a while that you do need it. So I still have them. I still use them every once in a while, just not as big collection as my metric, which I use all the time. So over here I have like the Gearwrench set that goes from 6mm, I believe, yeah, 6mm all the way up to 32. Very good basic combination wrench set. This is the Capri Tools ratcheting wrench set. If you guys are wondering what I organize this with, this is the Toolbox widget. Great wrench organizer. They also have screwdriver organizers and miscellaneous other organizers as well. Here I actually have the Gearwrench extra long 120 XP double box end ratcheting wrench set. Really nice set. Love it. Love the offset here. This is good for breaking loose, and then the ratcheting portion. It is the 120 XP, so it's a 60-tooth gear with dual pulls. So really nice. Some Gearwrench deep offsets, Tecton stubby wrenches, and Gearwrench flare nut wrenches, and that's basically it. This all over here is SAE. This is a Matco. So Matco, Gearwrench, Tecton, Gearwrench, Tecton, Capri Tools, Gearwrench. Below that is going to be my main metric socket drawer. So over here on the left I have my Gearwrench 120 XPs. These are all the flex heads, semi-locking. This is the Gearwrench 120 XP, just standard, non-flex. Then I have some 1/4 inch universal sockets. Up here I have the Gearwrench 10mm socket set, which is nothing but 10mm sockets of different designs. Nut driver attachments, Gearwrench swivel head universal sockets, and the Gearwrench bolt biter sockets. These things are amazing. They work in both directions. You can use an impact, you can use a wrench, you can use a ratchet, you can use pliers. I mean, they're amazing. And save you that huge headache of rounded off fastener. Okay, so I use all the blue for my SAE, or the blue rails. This is all 1/4 inch deep and shallow, 3/8 shallow, 3/8 deep. This is the 3/8 impact shallow, 3/8 impact deep, and 1/2 inch drive shallow. Worst set I've bought, not in quality, but as usefulness, considering my 3/8 drive set is the exact same size as my 1/2 inch drive set. So I have a video on that coming out here soon, so don't worry. And then back here I have all of my 1/2 inch drive chrome sockets, shallow and deep. And these are all Gearwrench. These are DeWalt and Matco. Over here, a company actually made me this organizer. I have a video on it as well, so stay tuned for that. So these are my Gearwrench flex head ratcheting wrenches, which I have laid out all in here, nicely organized. Great little organizer. This is my Matco spark plug socket set, magnetic spark plug socket set. So great way to keeping that all organized and clean. So, moving down, we have my new Gearwrench 90 tooth ratchets. Really nice ratchets. Haven't got to use them much yet, but I already love the 84 tooth and I love the 120 XP, so I'm sure I'm gonna love these as well. This is the 84 tooth locking flex head. Some random basically like bolt biters almost. It's supposed to help with preventing slipping or rounding off fasteners, or fasteners that are rounded off. It helps to bite them. These are some spline drive sockets. Truthfully, I bought these because they were super cheap at like AutoZone or something like that, and I haven't really used them. They're just sitting there. These are my Snap-on Wobble Plus extensions. Absolutely love these. I got them with my student discount when I was going to college, so that was the main reason I got some Snap-on stuff. Otherwise, I wouldn't have paid full price for these because it's insane. But other than that, absolutely love them. Next drawer down is my SAE. This is the Sunex Wobble impact extensions. Thought it was a great idea. Well, here at home, I use my impact, but not religiously. And I just don't find myself all that much needing the Wobble extension. Maybe if my job didn't supply me with my own tools and I had to bring my own tools, these would probably get used a lot, but for at home use, they're just kind of sitting here. So hopefully one day they'll get put to use. But other than that, I have the SAE Gearwrench universal sockets, Gearwrench extension set, just some more Torx and Allens. Then I have up here Tekton 1/4 inch drive 12-point sockets, both SAE and it. I needed those for a specific job, and those were very affordable and really good quality. That's why I have Tekton linked down in the description, as well as their products on Amazon. A lot of their products have saved me money, given me a really good quality product for the amount of money that I spent as well. Great products. So 1/4 inch drive shallow and deep, 3/8 drive shallow, 3/8 drive deep, just like my other drawer. This is the 3/8 drive shallow impact, deep impact, and the 1/2 inch drive shallow impact. And then once again, the 1/2 inch drive chrome sockets. So I have a little universal socket adapter in here. Is kind of a demolition drawer. I got my files and everything. These are Tekton's old files. You know, they're like painted to prevent rust, and it actually holds up pretty well. I've used these quite a bit actually, and they're holding up really well. The plastic, the handles are plastic. I mean, nothing, you know, super fancy or anything like that. Your basic file set, but it's held up great, done its job, so I'm happy with it. I bought these quite a while ago. Once again, you see this organizer that lays out all my stuff very nicely. So this is the Capri Tools Deblo ball peen, really nice hammer. The Tekton brass hammer, brass punches, the old Tekton punch and chisel set before they started making them in the USA. So this is actually no longer available, and definitely not as good as their new punches and chisels, but it was affordable and I needed some at the time, and you know, they've done okay. The Craftsman 3-piece pry bar set, you can actually get this from Tekton as well with black handles, same price. You can also get it through Walmart, the Hyper Tough stuff, which I thought was ridiculous because all the other Hyper Tough stuff is super cheap stuff that basically falls apart as soon as you touch it. But then out of nowhere, they got, you know, the Hyper Tough USA made pry bars, just like Craftsman and Tekton. So it is nice. It's a very nice pry bar set, especially for the price you're paying. I think it's $32 for this entire set or something like that. Striking cap, Very good thickness for the shafts. And all around a great, affordable, good quality pry bar. Over here, I have another one of these organizers, and that is for my grip hammer set. Very easily noticeable when a hammer's missing. Well, for one, they're lime green, and then the bottom of the drawer is blue, so it's super easy to tell. Great little hammer set. It's not available as a set anymore, but you can get them individually and kind of put this set together now. But I got it as a set a few years ago, and it's been great, and it was very affordable at the time too. Got a little chunk out of here, but it's holding up well. Use this to beat up some exhausts and stuff. It's kind of chaotic in here, but it's still basically my booklets and everything. Got a little tablet in there. This is where I keep my decals and chargers and miscellaneous stuff I don't want to see on a day-to-day basis. And then my books of knowledge and science are in here. And then down below in the final drawer is going to be my specialty drawer. In the back here I have a seal driver, pulley puller, Noid light set, brake bleeder, compression tester, disconnect, quick disconnects, sensor socket sets for all different kinds of sensors. My wind Dremel, absolutely love that thing. Got it for 20 bucks, had it for about 5 years now. Absolutely love that thing. Lug nut socket set, harmonic balance puller, and a bore scope. And some of these are very cheap Amazon products, you know, almost like the Harbor Freight quality stuff on some of their specialty tools, and then some of it's a little bit nicer. Then I have my OEM Tools coolant funnel, no spill coolant funnel with all the attachments and everything. And then down below I have my hood prop and all of my torque wrenches. I have 2 1/4-inch torque wrenches, one from Tecton, one from Matco, and then I have a Tecton 3/8 drive and a Matco 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. All of them have served me very well and done a good job, so I'm happy with it. But that's really it, guys. Alrighty, YouTubers, so that's it as far as the bottom half of my box, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions over any of this stuff, please feel free to drop it down in the comments. I'm happy to reply to you. If you're interested in any of these products, once again, it's down in the description for you guys, super easy to find. And stay tuned for future videos where I go more in depth on a lot of these products, so stay tuned for that. If there's a specific product you would like to see more information given on or a video done on, please drop it down in the comments. I'd be happy to make it for you. Right now, got nothing but time. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and if you did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.